Built-in GPS technology. The Canon EOS 6D is the first Canon EOS camera to feature built-in GPS capability. When the internal GPS is enabled, it can automatically record latitude, longitude, elevation, and time data without requiring a separate accessory. This information is added to the EXIF text metadata of each image. Push the Menu button and use the top main dial or the multi-controller to highlight the second setup menu. Use the quick control dial or the multi-controller to highlight GPS. Press Set. Highlight Select GPS device and press Set. You have three options. Internal GPS enables the 6D's internal GPS capability. External GPS enables a separate, compatible GPS accessory, such as Canon's optional GPE2 receiver, to be used on camera if desired. And Disable turns off the GPS function, preserving battery life. Highlight Internal GPS and press Set. It may take about 30 to 60 seconds to establish a connection to GPS satellites. Highlight Setup. Press Set. Highlight Auto Time Setting and press Set. This option updates the camera's internal clock using GPS data. If you update the camera's time this way, it's accurate to within about plus or minus 1 second. Auto Update allows the camera to use GPS universal timecode data to set its internal clock. The camera automatically updates its internal clock whenever you activate GPS in the menu and when you turn the camera on with GPS already activated. You can also choose to update the internal clock at any time. Simply select Set Now from the bottom of this menu. Disable prevents the camera from updating time settings using GPS data. This is useful if you prefer to manually apply date and time settings. Highlight Auto Update and press Set. Scroll down to the next GPS menu item, Position Update Timing. Press Set. You can choose the frequency with which new GPS readings are taken. By default, the EOS 6D is set to take a new reading every 15 seconds. You may choose to take readings more frequently, up to one reading every second, or less frequently, with one reading every 5 minutes. Highlight your choice and press Set. GPS Information Display does just that. It displays the current GPS information. Please note that you can view the strength of the satellite signal here. The GPS Logger setting allows the camera to take repeated GPS location readings, stores the information internally, and then downloads it as a single file for each day. Use the included Canon Map Utility software to view the location of each image taken. You can simultaneously view a map that indicates the path you traveled while the camera's logging function was enabled. This provides an easy way to share images and shows others where your travels took you throughout the day. It is also useful for recalling precisely where a picture was taken, moments or even years after the fact. Built-in GPS capability enables the EOS 6D to record location and time information without requiring the use of a separate accessory. You'll be able to view, record, and apply the GPS data for easy organization and sharing.